session, we will learn about punctuations, their uses, and what is the importance of punctuations in written English. Now, what are punctuation? In any language or in the grammar of any language, punctuation is very necessary because punctuations are the small tits and bits that completes your sentence, that makes a complete sense of the statement that is being said. Now, let's moving on to some of the important points that we have to take notice in while doing the punctuations. First of all, capital letter. Whenever capital letter is the most important and the foremost part of punctuation, whenever we start a sentence or a phrase or a paragraph, the very first letter of the starting letter of that phrase or sentence should always be capital. We should never start a sentence with a small letter, whether it be a noun or a pronoun or any other common noun or any other simple word. The first letter has to be capital of any word that is starting the sentence. Moving on, for example, let's see this sentence. The girl is playing the piano. The is not a common noun, it's not a proper noun, it's not even a verb and an adverb, but still the T of the is capital because the starts the sentence. So the very first word of any sentence and the very first letter of the word has to be capital in any sentence. Now, third rule, pronoun. Okay, we in previous sessions we have discussed that the noun, only the proper nouns should be kept capital. The first letters of proper noun should be kept capital in any sentence or phrases. But there's one more rule that states that pronoun I, only the pronoun I should be capital in every sentence, in every phrase, whether it comes at the end of the sentence, between the sentence, or at the starting of the sentence. The pronoun I should always be kept capital. Fourth rule, proper noun always capital. Okay, as we have already studied this specific rule, the proper nouns are always capital. They are never started with a small letter because proper nouns, as we have discussed before, describes a particular person, particular place or particular animal. So, इसी वजह से we keep the first letter of the proper noun capital. Okay, now what is the importance of punctuation? Why do we need to punctuate in any language? Because it is an important part of our statements or clauses or the sentences that we write, because it clears the meaning of the words and expressions being said. Whenever we write a sentence or whenever we write down a phrase, it expresses something. कुछ express कर रहा होता है वो sentence. It is trying to say something, to deliver something. And when we omit all the punctuations, not only the punctuation marks but the capitalization, the pauses and every part of the punctuation, if we skip that in any sentence, it loses the gist of the whole sentence, of the whole point being said. For example, if I say that let's eat grandma. So what do you understand by this sentence? Let's eat grandma को अगर मैं translate करूँ, it means grandma को खाते हैं. That's what we understand by the sentence. But if we put comma between after let's eat, comma, and then grandma, it means that you're saying it to grandma that let's eat. So the punctuation marks, the punctuation overall changes the whole meaning of the sentence, whole meaning of the phrase being said. It even changes the expressions that are trying to be delivered through that sentence. Remains confused and unclear. Just similar to the example that I've given you right now, the meaning of a sentence and the expressions depends on the punctuation marks. Apart from the parts of speech, apart from all the other things and components of a sentence, punctuation के बगैर, without punctuation, the meaning and the meaningfulness of a sentence remains unclear. We do not understand what is exactly the person trying to say or trying to communicate to us. So for this whole purpose, the punctuations are very necessary, a very important part of any sentence while writing down any paragraph, any essay, and any sentence. Okay. So our today's session was on punctuation. I hope that we have understood the use of punctuations, capitalization using the capital letter at the starting of the sentence, and the capitalization of pronoun I and proper nouns, and whole reason of using the punctuations.